Have you ever wondered which apps are the best for making AI videos? As technology advances, the world of video creation is being revolutionized by artificial intelligence, making the process smoother, faster, and more efficient. Today, we dive into the top 5 applications that are leading this digital revolution. First on our list is the groundbreaking DeepArt. This app takes the concept of video creation to an artistic level. It allows you to transform your videos into moving pieces of art, using AI algorithms that replicate the styles of famous painters such as Van Gogh or Picasso. The pros of DeepArt include its unique style capabilities and user-friendly interface. However, the drawback is that it lacks some of the more advanced editing tools offered by other apps on this list. Next up is Lumen 5. This app is a real game changer for those who want to create engaging social media content. With its AI-driven system, Lumen 5 can convert blog posts or scripts into videos, complete with relevant images and animations. The primary advantage of Lumen 5 is its ability to create content quickly, but it falls short when it comes to customization, offering fewer options compared to other apps. Third, we have Magisto. This app is all about making video creation as easy as possible. Its AI technology analyzes and combines your chosen photos and video clips, adding music and transitions to create a polished final product. While Magisto offers simplicity and speed, it does lack in terms of control over the editing process. Moving on, we have Wave.video. This app stands out with its vast library of stock videos and images, and its AI-powered video creation system. Wave.video shines in its variety of content and easy integration with social media platforms. However, its cons include limitations in terms of video length and a more complex interface than some of its competitors. Finally, there's Artisto. This app is fantastic for those who love filters and effects. Its AI technology applies stunning effects to your videos, making them look like they were created by a professional. While Artisto excels in terms of effects and filters, it doesn't offer as many editing tools as some of the other apps. In conclusion, each of these apps brings something unique to the table. DeepArt offers artistic flair, Lumen 5 is great for quick social media content, Magisto provides simplicity, Wave.video offers a wide range of content, and Artisto excels in effects. The best app for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences, so why not give them a try and see which one works best for you? The world of AI video creation is waiting for you to dive in.